SGBX stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is safe and green holding stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. So how things are looking like for me is that pre-market is a bit lower. The Friday day was a 40% increase, which is not little. And once I zoom out here, you will see that this is interesting, but I'll just do this. I'll just do this. Here's my supply zone. And then ultimately, yeah, it just, although it's choppy, bro, if there's a double break to the downside here, I'm looking to take it down because that's the market that we're in. Am I saying this is like a forever thing bearish? No, but for right now, if rules are met, I'll move with it, you know, because again, I'm sticking to my edge that I've refined over 5 years. This is obviously not financial advice, and I would obviously please do your own due diligence. Don't just blindly listen to me. SGBX, I believe I have, okay, now receipts in the Discord, which is fine. But if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights and stock picks, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.